Hey, yeah, everybody, what is going on? Today we are going to talk coupons. Yes, coupons in System.io. So what we're going to do is go through, this is probably going to be a little bit longer video than it needs to be for coupons, but I want to talk about number one, just some use case scenarios that you want to use with coupons, and also just some things that you're going to want to keep in mind as far as even being able to use them in the first place. All right. So let's shoot over to the computer and I'll show you what I'm talking about here. All right. So what we're looking at here is our back end of System.io, right? So what we want to do is there's two different places where you can create coupons. You can either go up to here to products and then coupons, or you can do it within the funnel where that order page is. All right. So in this case, let's just go to the funnel in question and we'll open that up. We're going to look at this one right here. We're going to click into our funnel. Now we're going to click into the order form. All right. Now, right in here, when you're in the order form and you scroll down, so a couple things. Number one, you have to have some kind of a product. All right. So here, let's create a product. I'm going to go and do a resource. We'll call it a course. We'll grab one of the courses, the Tech Grumman Academy, and choose course access type. We're going to do full access, and then we're going to save. Now, if you run into this right here, you got to have some kind of a price. You got to have some kind of a product that you're selling, and that requires a price plan. So you'll need to go back and go watch one of the other videos that I've done on how to do price plans so that you can go in here, and you'll also need to connect a payment gateway, and you'll also need to go and check that out. So I'm going to stop this video and we're going to go and connect my Stripe account so that we can move on with our actual coupon. All right, so now that we've got our price plan set up, we've got the course product set up, we're going to go and create our coupon. So we can go in here, click the plus sign, and if you have a coupon already set up, then you could use that. But we're going to end up creating a new one here. So the discount type is going to be a percentage discount. Coupon is going to be what? There is no coupon because I haven't created it. I told you there was two different places to create coupons. So we're going to create one. All right, coupon code. Go in here and we'll call it test 100 off. And the reason I'm calling it test 100 off is I'm only going to use this for myself to actually run through the process of going through an order, seeing if all the emails are flowing properly, see if thank you pages are flowing properly. So I'm just going to walk through the process as an actual customer. So coupon code here, I'm just going to copy this and paste that in. Discount type is going to be a percentage amount, going to be 100%. Not going to worry about an expiration, or I'm not going to limit the use. Again, nobody's going to really know about this anyway. It's just mine. We're going to go ahead and just click on save. Okay, so there's our test coupon code, test 100 off. We're going to copy it. Now what we need to do is we need to go make sure that the coupon code field is on the order form. Now here's kind of a best practice. If you're not going to use coupon codes at all, I wouldn't include the field. If you're going to do something like this where you're going to use it to test it, go in there, add the coupon code field, run your tests, and then remove the coupon code field so that you're not confusing customers. All right. In this case, though, we want to go up here and we're going to go to the edit page. And then what we want to do is we want to see, do we have the coupon code in here, anywhere in here? We do not. Okay. We got our order summary here, though, $97 every month. So what we want to do is over here on the far left, all right, want to scroll down to the payment section right in here. And right here is a coupon element. You're going to drag this coupon element and bring it over to your field. And you can really pop this wherever you want. I'm going to pop it right above the credit card. And then there, we're going to do save changes. Okay. So that's now ready to go. All right. Now, what we want to do is test this out real quick and just see, is this going to even work, right? So I'm going to go in here and I'm going to click on the preview button. And sure enough, we've got some information coming in here for credit card, expiration date, all that kind of good stuff. Place the order now. Okay, we're gonna come up here and put in our name, and tab doesn't work very well. Test, that's fine. Email address, will pop in our email address. Okay, and then there's our 100% off, and there you saved 100 off. And then here it's showing off, and then you would just go and click on order now. Now I wanted to click on that because in the past when you did the 100 off, it wouldn't always work. And in this case, we've got it set up to where it worked. Okay. The order option afterwards was kind of funky, but it worked. All right, now just like that, we're good now. We've tested it. We've got our thank you page that we go to after we fill out the form and use the coupon code, place the order. Everything's working as expected. So at this point, what you'd want to do is go back and pull this out, unless you want to keep it in there for good. Again, I like to take it out. We don't want to create any kind of confusion for our customers when they come to purchase. If we have something in there that says, "Hey, apply a coupon code," they're going to go, "Oh, let me go search around the internet and see if I can find a coupon code." And maybe there's one available. Maybe we have one that's out there. But at the same time, they might come across something else while they're out there off it and not come back. All right. So you want to make sure that they stay on the page. So I'm going to actually take away this coupon code now that I've tested it out. But once you've got that all done, you're good to go. All right. That's how you set the coupon code. We could have set it for a fixed dollar amount. So it was $97 a month. And I could have said, hey, make the coupon code for $97, but the 100% also works. So there you go. That's how you use a coupon code, get it all set up and dialed in for your system account. If you're finding these videos helpful, we do have a whole series of other System.io videos in our System.io playlist. Check it out. Thanks for watching, everybody.